Welcome to Exam Sale. In this short guide we will walk through the official syllabus for the VMware Advanced Design VMware Cloud Management and Automation exam to help you focus your study and priorities. This exam contains a single domain called planning and designing, and it carries exactly 100% of the weight, reflecting the exam's exclusive focus. The domain concentrates on translating business requirements into conceptual, logical, and physical designs for vRealize automation environments, including extensibility and life cycle management. The difficulty is rated hard. The estimated learning time is 60 hours, and the assessment is scenario-based, so practical application is essential. The planning and designing domain prepares candidates to convert business goals into actionable automation architectures that are secure, scalable, and maintainable. You will learn how to capture and document both functional and non-functional requirements, identify technical constraints and assumptions, and perform risk analysis with mitigation planning. The domain also expects you to reason about governance, tenancy models, identity and access controls, and life cycle considerations across conceptual, logical, and physical layers. Conceptual design and requirements analysis teaches you to analyze business requirements for cloud automation solutions and to determine clear use cases for vRealize automation services. You will practice identifying and documenting project technical constraints, writing business and technical assumptions, and differentiating functional requirements from non-functional requirements such as performance, availability, and compliance. The syllabus also requires comprehensive risk analysis and mitigation planning so your conceptual choices can be validated against business impact and operational realities.